going on, everybody? Do you have a floppy throttle? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's chill. We're gonna fix it today. Right off the top, the spec for your throttle-free play should be 3 to 5 millimeters. But we're gonna show you how to do that and check that real easy. Let's get it.
Okay, put one piece of tape on the stationary part of the grip, another piece of tape on the rubber throttle. Roll the throttle so it's at one end of its slack range, and make a straight mark with a Sharpie. Now you can see the lines line up at the top, but when rolled down, they're about 8 millimeters apart. Let's fix this.
Along your upper throttle cable here, you have this boot that covers up the adjustment. You have the silver component with metal threads, and then this plastic thing that adjusts the length of the housing of the cable so that it can adjust the slack on the grip. Unlock the adjustment by holding the main body and spinning the little plastic wheel left, so you have room to move the main body here. If you want to decrease slack, you want to lengthen the system and lengthen the housing by turning it lefty-loosey. If you want to increase slack, turn the main body to the right, righty-tighty, and it'll shorten the housing, increasing slack. Once you find the spot you're happy with, spin the little locking knob against the main body of plastic till it's snug, then slide the cover over to protect it from the weather. With your adjustment all dialed in, you should be able to get 3 to 5 millimeters of movement without opening the throttle plates. In this area, we're not opening the throttle, but as we move, you start to open the throttle. So there's a slack area where you can wiggle the throttle, but it doesn't open the throttle plates. Lastly, with the engine on, make sure you can move the handlebars all the way left and all the way right without the engine revving up. That would be an indicator that something's pulling on your throttle cable, and that's not good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay snappy.